guys, this is Gian Len and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video is magna nighttime skincare routine po tayo. So, without further ado, let's get started. For my facial wash, I am using this Lux Organics na Cica Rescue Gentle Brightening Low pH Daily Cleanser. I super love this cleanser kasi it's fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and paraben-free, and also this is dermatologically tested. So, sobrang gentle lang nito sa skin. Ayan. So, basahin ko muna yung aking mukha. Kilamos muna tayo, guys. Clear naman yung consistency. Ayan, so magbanlaw na tayo. Yan, so ito yung ginagamit ko guys na pamunas. Kasi para sa akin mas hygienic siya. Ayan, mas gusto ko siya. Na facial tissue or tissue paper yung pamunas ko. And then next naman guys is of course toner. So I am using this Quick FX Pimple Eraser Toner with 2% salicylic acid, 0.5 glycolic acid, 1% niacinamide, plus vitamin C. And this toner is also alcohol-free, fragrance-free, and paraben-free. So sobrang mild lang niya guys. Tapos ang ganda kanyang mga ingredients. So, if you have large pores or oily skin, so this toner is perfect. And I super love it kasi spray siya. Spray ko lang siya sa buong face ko. Yan. Tapos, antayin lang natin na matuyo siya. Kasi mabilis na naman siyang ma-absorb ng skin. Since natuyo na, na-absorb na ng skin ko yung toner, so next naman is of course moisturizer. So I'm using this Lux Organics na Cica Soothing Gel. Ayan. So it's calming, soothing, and oil control. This is also fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and paraben-free. So sobrang mild lang talaga nito guys. So, maglagay lang tayo. So, ganito yung ginagawa ko. And of course, sa neck. And then, bi-blend natin siya guys. Ay, massage pala. pores sa neck area. Huwag niyo kalimutan yung liig niyo para pantay sa face niyo. Ayan. So, mabilis na rin siyang ma-absorb. Antayin lang natin na ma-absorb. So, next, and this is the last step. So, I'm using this Hello Glow All Natural Papaw Balm. So, ito yung nilalagay ko sa lips pang moisturize. Sobrang ganda nito, guys. It also gently exfoliates your lips. Ayan, so ganyan lang siya. So, that's all for today's video. Yun lang po yung skincare routine ko, guys. Sobrang simple lang. Ito lang yung mga ginagamit ko na products. So, thank you so much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para ma-update kayo every time na mayroon akong bagong video. So, good night and God bless everyone.